Hey, what's up, guys? So I am currently standing in downtown Northfield, Minnesota, and I thought I would give you a little update of what's been happening since yesterday in Des Moines. You know, while we're here, what we're doing, and also walk around because there's this beautiful park here. There's a dam right there with a waterfall, and it's just a really pretty area right here. Of course, my first time ever being here to Northfield, first time being in Minnesota, period. We come up here on business. Abby, her business, one of their main clients is located here in Northfield. So they come up here once or twice a year for a meeting, and they scheduled a meeting during our trip. So that's why we're here. So they are currently at their meeting today. They're doing their thing on business, and I'm going to be here just kind of, you know what, I'm done with what I got to do today. So I'm going to be walking around town to visit downtown here, and I wanted to see the waterfall. So yesterday we got the axle situation corrected on the Kodiak, got the new axle, the springs, and today what I wanted to do was the Ram. I'm parked right over there, you know, the Ram. I noticed as soon as we got on the road, we were having a vibration issue with the tires, and the alignment was off as well. And I didn't realize that until we got on the road, started pulling it, and I noticed that it was, it was vibrating quite a bit. We just had brand new tires put on, so whenever we come up here, I actually contacted the local Firestone dealership, which is up in Apple Valley, and they got me on the schedule to bring it in. They rechecked and rebalanced the tires. They were off, and I got a printout of what they were, so they got that corrected. They also did the alignment. When I had the tires done, they did an alignment check and said it was good, but the alignment was off. So they actually did an alignment at Firestone. It was off. They corrected it, did a printout, and now have a 12-month warranty on the alignment as well. So it's good to go. So the vibration's out of it. We should be tracking nice and straight. So we are ready to hit the road. So that's what we've been up to today. Now I do have one more scheduled stop for preventative maintenance. And what I'm doing is we're going to stop in, where are we going? We are going to Sioux Falls. We were going to do a one-day stop there in Sioux Falls so that we could visit the, much like this right here, the riverfront where the falls are at. And there's a big tire place there that is going to help me. We're going to replace the 2 rear tires on the Kodiak. The reason I'm going to replace those is that both of them have wear. One of them has significant wear on the inside corner. I mean, this trip, we've put almost 2,000 miles on so far, and it's significant wear. I do not want to have a blowout on the road, so we're going to swap those 2 tires out for new as a preventative maintenance measure. Rather get it corrected while we're in the big cities instead of having problems out on the road and have a blowout. You don't want to have a blowout on the highway. You don't want to have a blowout on your RV because it's going to tear stuff up. So we're going to stop there in Sioux Falls and get 2 of the tires replaced. And hopefully that will get us corrected once we hit the road, because we have a lot of places that we're going to be going to out west. We're going to be going to the mountains again. We're going to be going to some of the desert areas. And I want to make sure that the truck and the trailer is corrected and ready to go for that part of the trip. So that's it. As far as the update is where we're at right now. But I want to walk around downtown Northfield here and see the little area, and we go down there and see the dam and the waterfall, and maybe find me some lunch. I'm on my own today, but I think we're going to be getting with Abby and their client later this evening for dinner. I would imagine, I don't know when or where, but we're going to be doing that at some point. So let's take a little stroll around, and we'll show you what Northfield, Minnesota looks like. This seems like a nice little community here. It is really nice. I just drove through the downtown district right there, and man, there's a lot of people there. There's a lot of activity. So I just came on around to this parking lot and found me a spot. And now I'm gonna go and just take a little stroll. Really pretty here, man. It's a great spot. I've always enjoyed seeing dams up close. Just a wonderful thing to see and visit. Over here to my right is the main historical downtown area. They've got it done up really pretty here, very vibrant. I have no idea what all is here. I haven't even looked it up. I just saw it today as I was coming through. I'm just gonna walk around. I'm probably gonna find me some lunch down here somewhere. Really nice here. This is a beautiful area. Dedicated to the soldiers and sailors who saved the Union, 1861, 1865. Erected in 1921. Olive oils and vinegars. There's a sandwich shop back there called Hogan Brothers. I may try that for lunch, but I think I'm going to go back down to the little Riverwalk area and walk down the river a little bit. So we were just over there, standing over there. I believe that corner is the site of an old mill, according to the Google map. There's a place called Froggy Bottoms Pub. Might have to check that out too. Let's take a stroll down the Riverwalk here. It's a nice place down here. They got spots where people come down here and relax, sit down, enjoy the river, picnic tables to eat at. You see that? Don't do that. Please don't throw your trash down. So there's the joint right there, Hogan Brothers. I think we're going to go in there and try that, have a little sandwich for lunch. It's been really nice walking around down here. Everything I saw, I think this is the most appetizing to me today. I'm going to find a different place to eat. The Hogan Brothers place was slam packed. It was really busy. There was too many people in there for me. And I think that's because that's really the only place that's open down here for lunch. Besides there's several coffee shops, but I'm not looking for, a muffin or a bagel. So I think I'm just gonna find something different to eat. All of the other restaurants down here, the major restaurants don't open until like 4 p.m. So I was looking for like maybe a brewery to sit at and have a beer, but I guess I might have to go somewhere off of the little main downtown district right here and find something else, but that's perfectly fine. I'm in no hurry, but this has been really enjoyable seeing this little part of Northfield, Minnesota.